Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha, and in this video I'll be showing you a complete protein breakfast, very beneficial for people who work out or people who are looking to control their weight, as this is filled with protein of eggs, chicken and paneer. So let's watch this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha recipes, and let's watch how to make this protein breakfast. So first I'm going to take a small piece of chicken breast, add oil, add garlic, add little salt, crushed pepper, sliced onions, vinegar. Mix this. When the pan is hot enough, add this marinated Keep this aside. Add a spoon of oil. Add little pepper. And keep lid. Add little grated cheese. And keep this chicken. Add more spice mix. Add little more cheese. So this is done, and now we will serve it. So here the protein breakfast with eggs, chicken and paneer is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.